Hey guys, so today we are doing an iPad Air 5th generation unboxing. The main reason why I'm getting an iPad, aside from like media consumption, which is not the main reason, the main reason is for drawing and Procreate. It's like this long, in-depth story that you can see in my Chromebook video. So I have two bags. I have this Apple bag, it's a little top heavy, and this Best Buy bag. So let's just do an Apple Pencil unboxing. I'm extremely excited. So my parents had points, which is why I bought this at Best Buy. What? I guess this didn't have a seal. I thought this had a seal. That's why I bought this at Best Buy, is because my parents had points for it. It was like a bunch of like discount points basically, and I bought it there. I would have bought the iPad other than it was gonna take like a week, versus Apple had it in stock. So to open the Apple Pencil, I'll just slide this out. Box is a little scuffed up, but you know what can you do? Because I'm very protective about my boxes. Open this. $130 stylus, so I got the education discount on it, so it's $120. So Apple Pencil, and it's just like a quick start guide on how to use it. Hopefully everything's not blown up. And this is my old Chromebook, which I don't know if it's in focus or not, but it has like a live subscribe count, which is cool. And then just legal documentation. We have my $120. I'm gonna rub that in because $120 Apple Pencil. It feels really nice. I like it. It's a good size as well for my hand. I have pretty big hands. So I'll just put this stuff back in the box and this can go in my display. What's interesting is that this on the back says copyright 2020, but this part says 2018, which is interesting. I mean, it doesn't matter because it's not changed. And it's the copyright, it's not like when it was made. So I'll leave the Apple Pencil here. It's very heavy. I've ordered a case. It's supposed to come here today. I don't know when it will actually be here, if it will show up today. And also right here, I have my MacBook Pro 61-watt USB-C charger. That's just what this is here, to charge it if it needs it. I don't think it should. I don't know. So I ordered this for the in-store thing, because since it's in a mall, it doesn't have curbside pickup. And here it is. So I'm gonna try and hide my order number, but it just says it was ordered May 26th, so yesterday. And then on the top, it has my name and the specs, so that's what's blacked out. So it's an iPad Air Wi-Fi, 256GB Starlight. So then, it also shows it on the back. So the normal price for this iPad, $750, but because of the education discount, it was $50 off, so it was $700. And I'm also gonna end up getting Apple Care at some point, but I might wait a little bit. So let's just peel off the plastic. So we have this. Okay. It's always sad when it does not peel perfectly. And the label's ripping. You know what? This was a very sad plastic peel, but we're over it. All of these Apple, and really any tech product unboxing, I always like find things everywhere. So we have this nice box. Let's open this up. I'm really excited for this. So it's the 5th generation, so it's the M1 with 8GB of RAM, which my computer's an M1 and it has 16GB. I upgraded that, but this is like as powerful as an MacBook Air or even this MacBook Pro, like the baseline. It has that Apple smell. So here's the iPad, and I've been just waiting since yesterday because I was going to get it, but I couldn't get it from Best Buy because we were having a problem with the points. So it's just like this long thing, and I was upset about it, and now today I was gone all day. It's like 5:30. So here we have the iPad Air, again it's Starlight. I'll set this aside. In the box we have our designed by Apple in California paper book, lit thing, books. So this has thick cardboard in the back. Probably for some type of size thing, but it's like there should be more in there. You probably can't see it. So here we have just the iPad Air. You know, your quick tips and stuff. And I want to be like or I don't want to be. I think I am like a tablet person. I love tablets so much. I was technically an iPad kid, but it was a Samsung tablet. And then in here we have a 20-watt USB-C brick. You don't get this with your iPhone, but you get it with your iPad. And I can see why. And then USB-C to USB-C cable. I'm going to leave these in here for now because I'm just going to use my MacBook charger because it will charge it faster. Oh, thank God. The things are covering this and it blends in with the record button, so I thought I wasn't recording, which gave me a heart attack. You have a cutout on the cardboard for the camera. I mean, it makes sense. This is kind of funny to see. Okay, I'll put this down here. This feels like it's around the same heft as my Chromebook without the back cover, because the back cover was about the exact same way as the tablet. Okay. I've kind of always wanted like an iPad. You know, nothing beats that Apple unboxing experience. Okay, and real quick, let's just take a look at like the iPad itself. So on the top we have two speaker grills, although I think only one of them actually has a speaker on each side. It has 4 grills, top and bottom, but I think only this side and this side are speakers. These sides are just like vents that the speaker still comes out. I don't know, it's hard to explain. So on the top we have those, a microphone in the middle, and a Touch ID power button, which is cool that my Chromebook actually had that. On the side we have our volume up and down, and this little pad here is the connector for our Apple Pencil where it will sit on and charge and pair as well, and it's just like a place to store it. On the bottom we have another speaker, or 2 more speaker grills, and a USB-C port. And then on this side we don't have anything. On the front we have a full screen design, and at the top we have a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera for center stage, which is like if you know the Facebook portal that moves around, the camera zooms in, it basically keeps you in frame. And then on the back we have I'm pretty sure this is a 12 megapixel wide camera, and our microphone. Apple logo, of course, iPad Air with a little bit of text about like the design by Apple and the model number, and then the 3 pin pogo. I think these would be considered pogo pins that you put this in, and you can get a keyboard. Okay, so let's turn this on. You ready? I'm ready. Apple. Of course, it's classic. It's already covered in fingerprints. I was thinking about getting a matte screen protector, because a lot of people are like, oh, the drawing experience on glass is horrible. I'm used to that experience, first of all, and second of all, when I was drawing at Best Buy, it seemed to be fine. So most likely I won't get a screen protector, but if I do, it'll be one of the paper-like screen protectors, or it's a paper type, because paper-like is a brand. That's cool. Okay, so open it up. We have English, United States. I'm going to set it up with the quick start because that way I can sync all my apps over and stuff. So instantly I have a pop-up which is set up new iPad. I'll click continue. It says connecting, waiting for iPhone. So just hold it above like that. It looks like the Apple Watch pairing pattern. So do that. Sorry if you can't really see this very well. Enter the passcode for your iPhone. Setting up your iPad. This is so cool. I just like tablets in general. Maybe I should have set this up as a new device, honestly. Exit setup. Back. Yeah, I'm gonna set this up manually, so because I don't want like my photos to sync over, because that's just gonna take up unnecessary storage. And I'll automatically connect it to my Wi-Fi while I did that. Touch ID, I'll set this up. I'll do my right finger, make sure it's clean, or my left index finger. I have this planned out for all the fingers I'm gonna do. So my left index finger, just like move it around. So I use Face ID on my phone, of course, because it's iPhone 13 Pro Max. My MacBook Pro, I use Touch ID, and then on this I use Touch ID, so I'm using biometrics on everything. Continue. Oh, we're only halfway done. Continue. Add another. So it's interesting, it says to rotate. But yes, I will add one more, which is my right index finger. I just heard a thump on the front door. Hold on. I wonder if that was Amazon. How funny it would be.
Front door.
Okay, no, it was something else. I thought it was Amazon. Man, I love this iPad. And the fact that it has an M1 chip in it is amazing. And I'm gonna buy Procreate. That's like the first thing I'm gonna do, is buy Procreate. Welcome to iPad. Get started. And we're on the home screen. Wow. Okay. We have so many eyewear apps and so much stuff. And instantly we just see politics. That's great. Okay, wow. So this is going to take quite a bit of time to get everything set up. Okay, so I'm not done, but literally all I've been doing is on my phone, I opened App Library and I've been going app through app and installing them all on my iPad. Okay, so it's a couple of hours later. I've been drawing a little bit and then just like using this, getting it all, set up. I've not had a chance to use this as my camera yet, but this came a little bit ago. So let's open this. This is my cover case. It's a Tomovo. I don't know, it's for the iPad 5. It's in silver, and the back of it's clear, which is cool. These look like interrogation lights. Huh. Pretty big. Well, I guess, of course it's going to be big, but... Okay, so far so good. Now, there were a lot of good reviews, but I did see a couple of bad ones saying that, like, it scratched their iPad, so you want to be very careful. So let me just carefully... Okay, oh. Okay, so far, so good. But these magnets are not very strong. Put it in desktop mode. Seems to be working. Just pretend I'm drawing, putting some pressure. Yeah, that's good. Slides around a little bit. And then cover stays on. And it has auto sleep wake, which is cool. Hey guys, so a bit of an update. Also, the Christmas hat stays on for the making of this video, because if I take it off, this is what it looks like. So let's start with the Apple Pencil. So the first Apple Pencil was somehow an open box one, because for some reason Best Buy accidentally gave me an open box one. And then the second one was brand new, but it had a lot of pressure sensitivity issues and tilt sensitivity issues, so I exchanged that for my third one, which is what this one is, and this one works fine. Now let's talk about the case. So this is an OtterBox case. I'll have it linked in the description. That I think is originally like $80 or $90, but I got it for $40 because I bought it used. And I really like the way it looks because it has a clear back and a black front. And why I got a second one is because my first case cracked within like a week of having it, and I got a replacement, but my Apple Pencil kept falling off. So this case, I like it because it has the same folio. It goes on the back like this, but it also has a cover for the Apple Pencil, so that way it won't go flying off. And it also holds the cover to the back, so you can put your hands in it too. Then for screen protectors, I really wanted a matte screen protector, but I didn't want one that was permanently on because it kind of ruins the look of the iPad. So instead what I did was I got this magnetic matte one, which will also be linked in the description, that sticks on magnetically and is removable. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!